Hello, gorgeous. I'm Danielle Rosaria and I paint pictures. We're getting the coffee going early this morning because we have a commission to paint. This painting is really special. It's a painting of a rescued green-winged macaw. And so we're gonna have to drink a lot of coffee and get this painting started. I am really excited to paint this portrait of Eli. He was rescued and is now in a really loving home, and this painting is going to go to him and his family. Let's go. I'm using acrylic paints on a 9 by 12 inch stretched canvas, and I'm layering on the background. I really love acrylics because they dry nice and fast, and I can add layers while I work. I'm the kind of artist that needs to have a good flow. I'm using two different types of blue. This is phthalo blue and cerulean blue. It's really nice to have different kinds of blue on hand. There are over 300 different parrot species in the world, and today we're going to paint one of the largest. The green-winged macaw comes from the South American rainforest. For millennia, people have kept parrots as pets and companions. Even the ancient Roman emperors kept them. Sadly, however, some people don't realize the commitment this requires, and many parrots end up being neglected and not properly cared for. Parrots are highly social, intelligent, and inquisitive, and require lots of love and attention from their human flock. They also need a rich and varied diet of fruit and veggies and nuts. Eli was rescued from neglect, and he now has a loving forever home where he's cared for and given lots of interaction by his human and parrot flock. When we're painting portraits, there are certain areas of the face that we want to get very accurate, and the eye is one of them. Parrots have very bold shapes and very small shapes that define each individual. The eye is very important to get in proportion to the beak, the top of the head, and the other areas of the bird's face. Inside the eye is the pupil, and depending on how big or small the pupil is dilated, you could tell what mood the bird is in. So I'm really observing the photograph carefully and getting as close as I can to the shape of the original eye. So now that I have the big bold colors and the general shapes, I can go back in and put the details of the feathers. I got some feedback from my husband, and it's good because he can see values really well, and he said that the head needed more contrast, so I'm darkening the background, and that's pretty easy to do. Now we'll let it dry, and some of this blue will turn almost black. I'm hoping that it still will be a nice colorful background. And here's the finished dried portrait. I'm so happy with it. I think how he's looking peacefully out from under his feathers is really cute. And I'm happy to say that his owner loves it too. So now it's ready to be shipped off to somewhere in Texas. What a fun painting that was. Well, if you're interested in seeing my original artwork, you can see it on Etsy. And please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. It helps me a whole lot and gets me to keep painting, which I love to do with you. Thank you so much for watching. May God bless you and stay creative, my friend.